Hello, this is Builder Elephant, and this is my first custom minifigure tutorial. And I've always wanted to do custom minifigure work, but I've never wanted to paint over or kind of chip away at my minifigures so I couldn't use them in the future. But for this one, I realized I could make John Wick using these 3 minifigures. So what we're going to do is first, John Wick wears a black suit. So I'm going to get my Lex Luthor in his black suit minifigure. Now, if you don't have this minifigure, there's some gangster minifigures that kind of have a suit close to this you could use. And as with all my tutorial videos, I'm going to put the item name and design ID number in the description of this video so you can kind of find it and see if maybe you have a minifigure with this torso piece. I'm not going to bother with the black pants because they're black pants. But anyway, I don't need Lex's head because Keanu Reeves looks nothing like Lex Luthor. But what he does kind of look like, with those over-exaggerated mutton-chopped beard he's got going on, is Wolverine. So I'm going to use this Wolverine headpiece. It has 2 expressions. You've got kind of the gritted, in-pain expression of a man who's getting, shot at, stabbed, punched, thrown through windows, off motorcycles, just generally abused. And the very kind of like nonchalant, stoic, not going to show expression because I am in control of my emotions face of Wolverine, which works perfect for John Wick. So I'm going to put that head on my minifigure torso, and now all I'm missing is the hair. And for the hair, he has almost the same long, messy, parted hair of Severus Snape. So I'm going to take off Snape's hairpiece, put that on our John Wick minifigure. And the great thing is, because this is long hair, it covers up that second expression completely, unlike the actual Wolverine's hairpiece. So here we have John Wick custom minifigure. Now all I need is some guns. Lots of guns. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.